Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It really helps the channel out. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with Simvoly, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at Simvoly, a website builder found at simvoly.com. Simvoly markets itself as a simple, yet powerful platform for creating various online presences, from websites and landing pages to e-commerce stores and funnels. It aims to provide an all-in-one solution for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to establish and grow their online presence without needing extensive technical skills. The platform prides itself on its drag-and-drop interface, intuitive design, and a wide range of features designed to streamline the website creation process. Users can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or start from scratch, customizing their site with various elements like text, images, videos, and forms. Simvoly also offers features specifically geared towards online sales and marketing. These include functionalities like building sales funnels, email marketing integration, and various e-commerce options. For businesses looking to sell products online, Simvoly offers features like inventory management, payment gateway integration, and shipping management. Furthermore, Simvoly integrates with various third-party services, allowing users to connect their websites with other tools they may already be using, like CRM platforms or email marketing services. This helps to create a more cohesive and efficient workflow for managing their online business. They emphasize ease of use and offer a variety of pricing plans to cater to different needs and budgets. It's definitely worth exploring if you're in the market for a website builder that promises simplicity and functionality. So, check out simvoly.com and see if it's the right fit for your online ventures. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information. I encourage you to do your own research and see if Simvoly aligns with your specific requirements. While it offers a promising array of features, it's always a good idea to compare it with other similar platforms before making a decision. Building a successful online presence takes time and effort, and selecting the right tools is a crucial first step.